Hello, and welcome to the Cal Poly Cal State Apply application tutorial series. In this video, we'll be talking about the A through G matching tile. You can find this summary in the academic history quadrant after you've successfully completed entering all of your school transcripts. So this is the A through G matching summary. Once you've completed your transcript entry, you will want to make sure that your total years for each category is correct. If you need to make a change or you'd like to manually update some of those areas, you can toggle out each year's record to see the full entry and edit any of those A through G fields if necessary. So if the courses are closed, you can easily toggle them open and see the full description with the A through G area listed in that final field for every class that you have inputted. If you're a California student and your school was part of the CCGI system, you may have been able to enter your transcript portion just using drop-down selections. Your A through G fields may already be entered, but it is a good idea to double check. So if you're missing a designation or you need to change them, you can simply click here and put in the corresponding course area as needed. If you're not sure, you can always check the legend or key right here on the right to make sure you're entering in the right letter for each class. So you can edit these like this by hand, whether you're in state or out of state. If you're out of state, likely all of these will be empty and you'll want to toggle them open and make sure and put the appropriate letter in each field. Once you've edited it, you can save and continue and double check your updated summary. So just as a reminder, if you're a California student, whether your school was part of the CCGI system, you will want to check those A through G designations just to make sure they are correct. But if you are an out-of-state applicant, international student, or a California school that isn't part of the CCGI system, you'll have to enter your coursework manually. It will be your responsibility to make sure all of your coursework is labeled correctly with the A through G category for each. If you're a California student and you want to verify courses or check to see if your class can be considered a different category, the UC Doorways is a great resource, and we do have a video that shows how to use that resource. It also includes some information for out-of-state students looking to verify their A through G. If you are attending a school that is not in the system or out of state, then you must make sure to check that designation on this page before you can change them in your A through G summary. Other changes you might want to make are changing a government course to Area G, if you've met the 4-semester consideration, or coursework that is beyond the recommended semester count for an area that can be used as a G elective. Please note that all areas must be completed with the CSU minimum in your summary before you will be able to successfully submit your application. Also note, if you have community college courses or have attended other schools in your summary, it is likely that you will also need to toggle open those ones and edit the A through G categories so they won't automatically update, especially for community colleges. You can check for all California community college coursework at the same UC Doorways page as in your high school coursework. So as we close, just a couple of reminders and some good information to note. Please note that the GPA shown here at the bottom will not be the official GPA considered on your application. Cal Poly uses a weighted model for 9th through 11th grade and coursework to calculate that, including honors, AP, college coursework. Cal Poly will automatically factor in all of the A through G, honors, AP, IB, and community college coursework to give you the highest GPA available for your application. Please also note that if there's anything that is not A through G, should not be entered into the application at all. You will not put those in the application because we will not count them. Remember, if you can't complete this page with the check mark in the tile, it may be because you missed an A through G designation in one or more of the courses you listed. So you'll want to verify, toggle those open, and make sure they all have an A through G designation. This has been a review verifying and editing your A through G matching summary of your application. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to admissions. We hope you have enjoyed this video. We thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your application process.